Okay, there's some other good videos about how to deal with a bad starter clutch, which if your bike is making a kazoo sound or it just spins when you hit the starter button, in all likelihood the starter clutch, which is this brass looking thing here with the gear in front of it. There wasn't any quick videos that showed how to deal with this. Plenty of long ones that actually there was a good one that actually showed what I needed to know. So here's a quick version. Your solenoid is 2 screws, 2 bolts with a washer or a spacer that goes there. You'll need to remove it or basically get it entirely loose, but just remove it, otherwise the screw is going to come off. That's going to give room so that this forky guy back here can move out of the way. Let me get some light on this. So that fork can move enough to allow this thing to basically jiggle. You just keep jiggling it and it'll come forward and you're playing with it because it's shifting like this, and it will come out and off to the right. I haven't tried to get it back in yet, but it should be the reverse procedure. There's another video I'm going to continue this with the actual disassembly of this because it's not as straightforward, but here's a part number. So anyway, hope that is helpful. Okay, so you got this thing out. No fun. One thing to mention, this is reverse thread, which makes it a little trickier. There's not a great way that I'm aware of to get a hold of this. So you got to put it in a vise, something like that, something that's going to hold it. Let me just tighten this up. Oop. Just hold in place. And then you need something that's going to take this off. And again, reverse thread. So opposite of lefty loosey, righty tighty. This comes off. This piece before, the first time I took it off, it was a little snug, but it came off. That just slides off. And then you have the main component, which is your actual clutch, but then this is stuck on it. And I had pulled on it and didn't realize there is a circlip in there, and that should release this and allow for its replacement. I wish I did this before I took the other side of my motorcycle apart, thinking that I had to pull the starter out or something like that. Oh well, lesson learned.